G'day guys, today we're here with Andrew. Today he attended our first Hardnox Association class. First, what do you do?
I'm a plumber.
Plumber? And being a plumber, what was your takeaway from tonight?
To get my legal paperwork sorted out.
Okay, and was that something that we managed to help you with? Or give guidance on?
Yes.
Yes, awesome. Alright, any other feedback from tonight?
Michael did a great job and he really had my attention.
Michael did awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time, Andrew, and we hope to see you on the next one.
No worries, thank you very much.